In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a signature in DocHub. If you need to remove a signature from a PDF in DocHub, the process is very simple once you know where to click. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open your web browser and search for DocHub. When the search results appear, click the correct DocHub link to go to the official website. Once you're there, sign into your account. Make sure you use the account where your document is stored so you can access the right file right away. After signing in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, open the PDF that already contains the signature you want to delete. If your file is not already in DocHub, you can create a new document and upload your PDF first. Give the file a moment to load completely so all elements on the page are visible and selectable. Once the document is open, go to the top toolbar and click the Select tool. This is the mouse cursor arrow icon, and it's the tool you'll use to choose existing items on the document. This step is important because if another tool is active, you may not be able to click the signature properly. Next, click directly on the signature box you want to remove. Be as precise as possible when selecting it, especially if there are other fields, text boxes, or form elements nearby. When the signature is selected, you should see a small floating menu appear above it. That menu confirms that you've clicked the correct item. Now, to remove the signature, click the trash can icon in that floating menu. You can also press the Delete key or the backspace key on your keyboard if that's faster for you. As soon as you do that, the signature should disappear from the document. If it doesn't remove on the first try, just click away, reselect the signature carefully, and try again. Sometimes the issue is simply that the wrong element was selected. Also, make sure you are clicking the signature box itself and not an empty area around it. And that's it. That's how to delete a signature in DocHub. Once the signature has been removed, you can continue editing the document as needed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.